How to fix the "This connection is not private" error on Safari. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the "This connection is not private" error on Safari for your iPhone. Let's get right into it. First, head to your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to Option Apps, then find Safari, and tap on it to open the Safari settings. Once you're in Safari settings, scroll down again and look for the option that says Clear History and Website Data. Tap on that and change the time frame from last hour to All History. Now, hit Clear History to remove any old data that could be causing issues. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on General. From there, tap on VPN and Device Management. Make sure you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, disconnect from it and try again. While still in General, tap on Date and Time and make sure it's set to Set Automatically. This will help your iPhone stay in sync and avoid potential errors related to time settings. Lastly, if the error persists, make sure the URL you're typing into Safari is correct. Sometimes this error can appear if the website address is typed incorrectly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.